Hello friends, hope you all are fine, fit, healthy and just awesome. Myself Cheet. Today I am going to show you how you can create a console program using C Sharp in Visual Studio Code. As we all know, or we might know, Visual Studio has licensed version, the Enterprise Edition, which has much more feature than Visual Studio Code. But if you don't have that licensed version installed in your system, then you can easily download Visual Studio Code as an IDE to do programming in .NET, especially in C Sharp. So without having a licensed version, you can accomplish the same thing which you can do in Visual Studio licensed version. So without wasting much more time, I just want to show you how you can do that one. So prior we start with the console application programming, there are two prerequisites that we need to have. One, the .NET framework needs to be installed in your system, and another, the C# template needs to be part of your Visual Studio Code. So I have already installed .NET framework in my system, which you can also do by you searching in Google .NET framework say 5.0 version, and you will be navigated to Microsoft site where you can download the same and install. And here in Visual Studio Code, as you can see in the left side, there are multiple options are there. So first here you need to select the extensions. In extension you need to search C Sharp, and you will have the first one as C Sharp, which you need to install. As I have installed this C Sharp extension template in my Visual Studio Code, so I am getting this uninstall option. But if you are using Visual Studio Code for the first time, then instead of uninstall version or uninstall option, you will get the install option. So let's close this one and let's create the console app. So as a first step, we need to create a folder. So I am going to file, open folder. Here I am navigating to a folder where I would love to put my console program. So inside AB folder I am creating a new folder. Say I rename it as my first console app using VS Code, and I select this folder and click on select folder. Now I am inside to this folder. As you could see in the left menu, explorer menu, that my first console app using folder, I am inside into this folder and it has been opened in Visual Studio. As a second step, we need to open a new terminal, a PowerShell terminal, where we will be running the commands to create a console app, to build the application and to run the application. So as you can see, I am inside this folder where I will be creating the new console app. To create a new console app, we need to write the below command as .NET new console, and as a optional parameter I could provide as framework net 5.0, and I will press enter. So as you can see, it's being processing. Now it has been processed and you could see 2-3 files are there. The CS project has been created and program.cs file has been generated. Now if I open the program.cs file by double clicking on that one, we could see that the static void main function is already there, and we are having one console.writeLine as hello world. Now let's add another console.writeLine. Let's copy and paste and change the text. This is a console app using VS Code. So this is what I want to print as an output. So again I will be coming to the below terminal. Let me clear this one. You can use clear command to clear the terminal. Now prior we run the application, as we all know, we need to build the application. So to build the application, we need to use .NET build command. So the application is getting built. And the build is completed, and you could see the bin folder has also been created. Now again, let's clear the console, and now it's time to run the application. Since we have 0 warnings and 0 errors when we build the application, so we are good to run the application. To run the application, I will be using .NET run command and press enter. Now you could see that in the terminal window we are getting two output, hello world, and this is a console app using VS Code. So these are the desired output that we were expecting from the program that we have achieved. So that's it. This is very simple. You can use Visual Studio Code for your console app programming. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, I would like to tell you, please subscribe my channel and like and share as much as possible. Thank you.